Take half kg chicken, add 1.5 liter water. Add salt. Add garlic. Strain water from boiled chicken. Make small pieces of boiled chicken. Grate carrots. Make thin slices of capsicum. Add 2 liter water in boiled chicken soup. Add peas, carrots, and capsicum. Add the boiled chicken. Add white vinegar to tablespoon. Add soy sauce to tablespoon. Add salt as required. Cover it. Take 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Add water. Mix well. Add corn flour paste in boiled soup gradually. Mix well. Add 1 egg. Mix well. Add black pepper. Mix. Add red chili sauce. The chicken soup is ready.